Oh, I know, he does. What am I doing? What am I doing? He didn't say what to do. Hold on.
See, that was last year. How does nobody get it? How many red circles? No. My mom got the snow.
We got these.
That was a red circle up there, though.
You need more gum.
She ate it all.
Did you really eat all my gum? Why did you eat all my gum? God, you're so mean.
He doesn't have any.
Not anymore. You owe me a pack of gum. I'm telling you. The other day when you were in Spanish and you took half my pieces out of there, and then you just ate the rest of my gum.
There was like
Oh, I am so heated.
Yeah, there's a lot on the floor back here.
I didn't pay attention because I was talking to them. How'd I start over? Alright, easy now, sweetie.
What is she doing?
You almost got me on it.
See, that was last year.